Enantiomers are structures that are mirror image and non-superimposable. They have identical physical properties such as solubility, boiling point, melting point, ion spectra, and NMR spectra, except for chiral interactions and optical rotation. Therefore, in order to distinguish between the two enantiomers of the compound, we have to measure their optical rotation using polarimetry. Polarimetry measures the degree of rotation of polarized light as it is passed through an optically active material. Usually, the optical rotation of enantiomers have identical magnitudes but opposite direction rotation. If a positive rotation is observed, this indicates the enantiomer rotates polarized light in a clockwise direction. If the rotation is negative, the enantiomer rotates polarized light in the opposite direction, which is counterclockwise. This video will help you to become familiar with using the polarimeter. The materials and chemicals needed for this experiment include the Rudolph Research Analytical Autopol 1 polarimeter. Sample chambers is to the left of the instrument panel. The inside of chamber look like this with the cell and temperature probe, analytical balance, two beakers, pressure pipette, a 10 milliliter graduate cylinder, glove, HPLC grade acetone, wash bottle acetone, and limonene. Prepare your sample for polarimetry by dissolving a known mass of the sample in an appropriate solvent, such as HPLC acetone. Make sure that the solution is homogeneous. I'm going to show you how to set up the instrument. If you are the first person to use the instrument, you will turn the power on, which is located on the back of the instrument. When the instrument is on, this screen will show up. What you will do is to press the menu key to access the measurement setting. Select Scale button and select Optical Rotation, and then press Continue button. Make sure to press Temperature Correction, and then press Off. Press Continue. Also press Statistics. Press Off. Press Continue. Exit to exit the main menu. I'm going to demonstrate how to clean and use the polarimetry cell. Remove the cell from the instrument and insert the temperature probe in the instrument. Rinse the cell 3 times with the wash bottle acetone. Rinse the cell with the HPLC acetone, which is the solvent of the sample. Now you will fill the cell with the acetone and rock it back and forth to make sure there are no bubbles contained in the cell. Before you place the cell back into the instrument, you have to dry the cell surface with Kim wipe. You should clean the temperature probe with Kim wipe to prevent contamination before you insert into the cell. Close the door to blank the instrument by pressing the 0 key on the polarimeter. When you see the 0 value, this indicates you have successfully blanked the instrument. Now remove the cell from the instrument. Pour the used solvent into the waste container. Before you measure your sample optical rotation, you have to rinse the cell twice with about 1 milliliter of your sample first to avoid diluting the sample. Now fill the cell with your sample. Gently rock the cell back and forth. Just like before, you will clean the cell with a clean wipe. Clean the temperature probe first before you insert into the cell. To make measurement, press Measure key. After a minute, the optical rotation value will display. This very top value here shows the optical rotation of sample. Since it doesn't have any sign in the front, show you that this sample is rotated in a clockwise direction. The 589 nanometer is the wavelength, and underneath is the temperature of the sample. When you are done to record all of the data to determine the specific rotation, you should clean your temperature probe with a clean wipe and seal with the acetone as I already demonstrated earlier in the video. If you are the last one using the polarimeter, you will restore the cell into the box. First thing you do is to take the ends apart by unscrewing one at a time. Inside the end, it has a piece of glass. Make sure you not drop it. Using the acetone to rinse the inside 3 times. Now you already have 3 pieces of cell all clean and dry. You will place them in the box. For the end, place them like this, but not upside down to prevent the piece of glass fall out. Place this box next to the instrument. Thanks for watching.